Yung mga concepts o yung components so, dun sa demographic equation. So papaliwanag lang natin. Yung population T. Yun pala yung population density. O yung population at that time, population density, yung dami ng tao at that time. So yung yung population kasi is denoted by letter N, di ba? So pag sinabi mong NT, di ba? Yun yung population mo at that current time. Yung population na yung NT plus 1 o yung sinasabi nilang T plus 1, yun yung population mo after a year. So plus 1. Kung plus 2 after 2 years. Okay? And then yung net migration, okay, yung net migration, yun daw yung net total of migrants. Okay, net total of migrants. So, ibig sabihin, immigrants, yung letter I, yung pumapasok, minus yung umaalis. Okay? Yung citizens, yung mga foreign citizens na pumapasok, okay? Yung mga foreign citizens na pumapasok, minus yung citizens nila na lumilipat sa ibang bansa. O yun yung example natin. So bukas na siguro iba-vlog natin yung net migration rate kasi may formula yon at saka yung rate of natural increase. Okay, i-ano natin yan. I-discuss natin yan bukas. So yun lang muna yung components of yung demographic equation na na-vlog natin kanina. Lilinawin lang natin kasi medyo hindi natin na-elaborate. So, yun lang po.